Hello, dear friends. Good morning. How are you, everyone? Today, I am going to tell you about the technique how to learn the 13 initial colonies of USA. I will tell you a technique, a trick by which you can easily learn the 13 initial colonies of USA. This is a very simple technique. So, let's start, dear friends. You just have to remember a sentence. I write a sentence here and you start following me. My new neighbor cannot. Just remember to write this cannot in this way. You don't have to follow any dictionary, any grammatical rule. So just follow this case that you have to separate can and not with a bar. Same is here. You will separate repaint. Uh, Consider re and paint as two different words. More dark violet. Neither shiny green. So dear friends, once you remember this sentence, my new neighbor cannot repaint more dark violet, neither shiny green. You will easily remember 13 colonies of USA. How to remember these 13 colonies? Let me tell you. Right here, Massachusetts. Massachusetts. And just above, right, I think you cannot see, I write here. I try to be in screen, so I stretch the paper. New Hampshire. Okay, just remember this. And then you must write New York here. And after that, here you must write Connecticut. And then you must write New Jersey here. New Jersey. Okay. So I hope that everyone can clearly see this. Actually, my screen is really short. And then for the repaint of re right here, Rhode Island red, Rhode Island for okay. Then for paint, write Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania. And for more, write Maryland. These are such a beautiful names of US colonies. Dock, Delaware, Delaware. And for violet, you have to write Virginia. And for neither, you have to write North Carolina. For shiny you have to write South Carolina, and for green obviously one and last Georgia. So this is a technique to remember the 13 colonies. If you count, these are exactly 13 in number. And if you want me to tell you that what is the right way to remember these colonies, I will tell you here. Just I draw a US map here. If you can see what I am drawing, I just draw US map. This is Lake Superior, then Lake Huron, then Lake Erie, Lake Michigan. There are 4 lakes. Then I draw US map. Okay. So this is USA map. On map, if I show you, first of all, the first colony here, this colony at this point, this is New Hampshire. Okay. And the second colony, which is located, I will try to tell you the things which are in the actual screen. The next colony is Massachusetts, which is just below New Hampshire. And just imagine this is Massachusetts. Okay, so after Massachusetts, a big colony comes here. This is New York, the famous city. And after New York, there are 2 colonies which are overlapping each other, and these colonies are, first colony is Connecticut and second is New Jersey. And this one, second one is New Jersey. And after New Jersey, again a little colony here. This colony is called as Rhode Island. And after Rhode Island, there is a big colony which is called as, you might have heard about the swing states. Actually, this is a swing state which is called Pennsylvania. And in the current elections, Pennsylvania has played an important role in Joe Biden's victory. Pennsylvania. Okay, after Pennsylvania, there are 2 small colonies which are overlapping each other just this way. This is Maryland. And this colony is Delaware. And after Delaware, major colonies are started. There are 4 major colonies here. And this is Virginia. The next colony is North Carolina. and mm, second loss is South Carolina, and the last of all the colonies is Georgia. So, dear friends, this is a practice to learn 13 initial colonies of USA. I hope everyone has got this as a very good and easy trick, and everyone will practice this. So, please practice these tricks, and practice is must. And you all have to subscribe my channel. Please do subscribe it at first. And after subscription, don't forget to click on the bell button. Whenever I upload any video, you will get the notification of the bell by pressing the bell button of every video. I will tell you many tricks, many ways which will make your CSS, your PMS, your competitive examination very easy. So take care. Have a good time.